Hi, this is Rebecca Warrington, rjmindbody.com. Oh, do you feel tired, inflexible, out of shape? You don't have a routine to your day? Well, join our online daily yoga classes that are live. We start each day at 7 a.m. with a sunrise yoga where you get to wake up and feel invigorated. Then we have our 8 a.m. gentle stretch where you stretch out your body. Then at lunchtime at 12, you get to do a slow flow. It's a nice fluid yoga class. And those are 30 minutes, UK time. And then we have a Tuesday night class, which is Vinyasa yoga. That's another flow. That's 60 minutes. Thursday night class is dynamic. Another 60-minute class where we do core work and flow in combination. And Saturday is the highlight. This is where we take all the poses from the week and we celebrate Saturday. That's 60 minutes at 9 a.m. All UK time. And yes, join us for these classes. I'm looking forward to seeing you. This is Rebecca Warrington at rjmindbody.com. See you soon.